If you're going to be working on your lawn this spring and you're looking to put a pre-emergent down, stop. Don't do it yet. You need to check a couple of things to make sure that your lawn is actually ready for what pre-emergent you're about to put down. Putting down a pre-emergent too early, it's kind of wasting time, wasting money. Some products you can put down because they give you season-long coverage, but why not wait as long as possible before putting the product down to get the best coverage of these products? Now, the thing you need to check for is soil temperature. Now, there's a bunch of data out there, but a good rule of thumb is if your soil temperature at 2 inches deep is between 52 and 60 degrees, and the air temperature is on an upward trend, and you're not going to have any temperatures in the low 30s overnight in the next 7 to 10 days, get your pre-emergent down, and if you're seeding, you're good to go. You can seed at that time as well, but only use the pre-emergent that is suitable for seeding. I'll leave another video link below on how to determine which pre-emergent to use when you're seeding. But today we're going to be looking at our soil and seeing what temperature it is at and whether we can seed or not, because the weather's getting nice, but does that mean the soil temperature is ready for pre-emergent and seed? All we're going to do is take our meat thermometer that I stole from our kitchen a few years ago, stick it about 2 inches down into the lawn, and then see what the temperature is at, and then we can determine whether we're going to seed or not. So we're going to do 2 inches deep and 44 degrees. Let's check another area. And this is the warm area of the yard because this gets the most amount of sun. There's a lot more shade over that side of the lawn. So this is going to be ahead of that side. 45 as well. So we're nowhere near needing to seed yet or put our pre-emergent down. We're probably another week to 2 weeks away from having to get our seed down. Putting them down too early, you're probably going to waste money. The seed's not going to germinate. The pre-emergent's going to be wasted because it's just going to be in your soil not doing anything because no weeds have started to germinate yet. So get a little meat thermometer, get out there and check your temperatures of your soil. Look, sounds a little bit crazy, but knowing these temperatures means that you're not going to waste product and you're going to get the product down onto the soil at the right time. If you want to make sure you get the right product for your lawn, depending on what project you're going to be tackling, you should check out this video here next.